What's up, YouTube? What's going on? Look, listen, this is the first time I'm gonna do this, or this is the first time I'm doing this, I should say. Right now, I'm at the beach, as y'all can see. We live 100% off of Forex, all right? And for the last 2.5, going on 3 years, I've been trading Forex full time. I've made multiple six figures, and this is what I do full time. Got my son out here playing around. But look, this is what I want to do. I want to offer something absolutely free because I don't have a course to sell you. I don't have a training. I don't have anything for sale. Okay. I'm not like the other gurus where, I'm trying to sell you all this stuff, teach you, train you, all of that. No, I want to help you get straight to the money. This is what makes me different from everybody else. I actually have something called a PAM account. If you don't know what it is, get on YouTube, look it up, PAMM, PAM account. Basically, personal asset money manager. And what it does, or what it is basically every time I take a trade on my own personal account, your account is going to copy my account. All right? So it's not a signals group where you join my Telegram and you get signals and you got to catch it when I put it out there. If you don't catch it when I put it out there, you're not going to make money, or, you might catch it late. It's none of that. You're literally getting in the same exact trades when I get in and when I get out. So there's no possible way that you can miss the money. All right. What I want to do is I actually want to open it up to my YouTube people. Now, if you're following me on YouTube, you see the lifestyle stuff, the car show stuff, all of that. I'm going to still mix some of that in, the traveling and all of that. But I want to help my YouTube family get to the money. All right. And like I said, this is not a course. This is not a training. This is none of that. This is literally me helping you make money. I have no problem with you purchasing a course from somebody else or learning from somebody else or anything like that. But I just want to help you get to the money. That's my goal. Help you get to the money. I'm already getting to the money. All you're doing is connecting your account to mine. And every time I take a trade, you take a trade. That's as simple as it gets, ladies and gentlemen. You don't have to buy anything. You don't have to do none of that. So what you do have to do, though, is I'm going to drop a link. It's going to be the first link in this video. It's going to be the Telegram group. All right. It's a free Telegram group. Just join the group. That's going to give you access to see what profits I've been making. So I'm not just asking you to blindly get in and just put your money in or whatever the case may be. And we using an MT5. All right. The broker that I'm using right now, they do fast withdrawals. I've withdrawn over $200,000 with this broker. So it's definitely vetted, and it was next day. So I don't know if you know any broker that's going to let you withdraw $200,000 and pay it out next day. I didn't have to wait a week. I didn't have to wait a month or anything like that. It was literally 24 hours and it was released. All right. But what I want to do is I want to show you inside the Telegram group. I'm going to be showing you the trades that we're taking on a daily basis, how we're making money on a daily basis, or what we're doing on a daily basis. If you're a numbers person, we're doing 1 or half of 1% a day. We're doing half to 1% per day. All right. So that equates out to 10 to 20% a month. Now, it's not that every single month. I'm not telling you that that's what it is every single month. What I'm telling you is, based on the numbers, based on the time that I've been tracking everything, that's what we're doing on a daily basis. All right. Give or take. The markets slow down. Sometimes they speed up. Y'all know how the markets work if you trade. If you don't trade, you don't know. But I'm telling you right now, that's how it is. All right. So that's what you can expect inside the group, or once you get inside the PAM. It's a 50-50 split. So if I help you make 500, you get 250, I get 250. Simple as that. But I don't get no money unless I help you make money. That's the difference between me and everybody else. Other people, they want you to pay for a course. They want you to pay for training. They want you to pay for a mentorship or something like that. And then you learn a skill, and then hopefully you can apply the skill to make money. I'm not doing that. Plug into the system with what you have. After that, I start trading. When I start trading, you make money. we split the profit. We don't split your initial investment. We don't split, you don't give me no money up front. None of that. I literally have to prove myself to you first by helping you make money. That's what's so sweet about this. And what's really sweet is you actually get to copy or mirror a multi six-figure trader, because it's a lot of traders online right now that tell you they trade, and they show you screenshots of demos and stuff like that. They want to show you, they want to act like it's live, but none of these people have ever said, hey, look, I'm going to plug you into my trades so that way you could take exactly the trades that I take. A lot of them won't do that because they're not actually trading, ladies and gentlemen. They're literally just making money off of you buying a course. That's how they make all their money. Well, I don't sell a course. So for me to live like this, I have to trade. And you don't see me all over line. I don't have a whole bunch of subscribers. I don't have a whole bunch of none of that, because I just kind of stay low key. I stay to myself. I trade, I make my money, and that's it. Point blank, period. That's how you know that I really make money from trading, because you've never heard of me. I don't have any courses available. I don't have any trainings available, but you probably seen me with a couple of big traders, a couple of traders that you know of. And that's just because documentation beats conversation. We're not just talking about what we're doing or showing you fake screenshots. We're actually doing it, and we staying out the way. But now I want to bring something public, absolutely free, and I want to help all of you guys make money. Let me tell you who this is perfect for. This is perfect for the person who wants to learn how to trade, but they don't want to put their money at risk yet. They want to learn. They want to get some skills under their belt. They want to do some training, but they also want to make money. All right. So this is for my day one people. You are fresh, brand new, and you say, hey, look, listen, I got some money, but I don't want to put it in the market because I don't really know what I'm doing yet. So I know I'm guaranteed gonna lose money. Put your money in the PAM account, copy my trades, and with your profits, put the profits in the market, and then start to trade the profits. That way you could be making money over here, and you could be making your own money. Once you feel comfortable enough, you can withdraw all of your money and just put it in there and trade it yourself, because you've already gained the skill. All right. But now you're actually trading with profits and not your initial investment. It's a lot different, ladies and gentlemen. Once you get into this industry, once you start learning, you will figure out that the pressure from you putting your hard-earned money into the market and trading it is very, very high. Because right now you feel like, man, I didn't put in 80 hours or 40 hours and I didn't got this money, and now I'm trading it, but I'm losing. So that's gonna cause you to revenge trade. That's gonna cause you to, see stuff that's not really on the charts, all because you want to get that money back, or you want to make sure you make money off of this money. You don't really want to make no mistakes. Well, ladies and gentlemen, that's almost impossible. Everybody loses trades. Everybody makes mistakes. It could be an overall winning day, but if your psychology is not right, you won't win the day. So what I'm telling you is, what if you put $1,000 in and we helped you make 500 profit, and you take 250 of that and you put it in the market and you start trading with that $250? It'd be a lot less stress on you, because this is $250 profit that you made off of your money. This is not $250 that you worked for, and you just trade that $250. So this is the kind of psychology that I want you to have. I still want you to learn how to trade Forex on your own. I don't want you to, be 100% depending on the boss for what movement or depending on my trades. I still want you to learn if you want to learn. If you're a lot older and you really don't want to learn, you just want to park your money somewhere and let it grow, and you don't want to put it into the stock market or anything like that, then you can put it into this account and just let it grow. I do want to put a disclaimer out there. Obviously, I can't guarantee you profits for financial purposes. I'm not a financial advisor or anything like that, but I've been doing this for 3 years. I've made over $500,000 trading, and you've never heard of me because I don't have a course. I don't have a training. I don't have none of that. I just do the do. So enough talking. First link in the bio. Join the free Telegram group. Everything is absolutely free. Join the free Telegram group. Look at the trades that we're taking per day. Look at the profits that we're making per day. Decide on if you want to get started or not. And once you get started, just plug into the system. And then I'm going to have a learn with me a little bit later on where we probably jump on a YouTube live. We jump on a Zoom live or something like that, and we all kind of learn together, whatever the case may be. But other than that, man, you know, and when I do the learn with me, it's probably gonna be a size strategy. If you guys know, you know, ICC family all day, every day, and that's gonna be the learn with me session. We all gonna learn size strategy together. We gonna watch each video day by day, step by step, and we're just gonna learn it together. But you're gonna be making money right away because you're automatically copying my trades. That's how I want to do it. That's how I want to help y'all. And if that's something that you're interested in, join the free Telegram group. No training for sale, no course for sale, straight to the profits, boss for what style. Let's get it. Boss for what? Holla.